Oh, and this on works too. That's fire. I might have to recreate this. I'm gonna have to recreate that. There goes Jen. Meat's popping. I knew this thing didn't sound stop, and now I know why. Okay, and an accord. Fire Z.
I'm about to beat both of your asses.
Okay, Liz, with the new wheel setup, fresh paint.
Lay down.
Turbo still there. Okay. Okay, Liz. Ooh. Dope Volkswagen. Dope. Well, okay, Liz.
Lay down.
Okay.
Lay down.
Ah, TJ, I miss my old lip. I need that back, bro. Ooh, the buggies. The Puerto Rican mobiles. The more cars over here. But this is lit. Oh, I thought that was Matt Z over there, but that's not Matt Z. Jesus. That thing's killer.
Uh-oh. You like that? You like it?
Oh, bike life looks like they pulled up. Alright, wildin'. Yeah, crew made it in, boys. The crew made it in. Pulled up, didn't even say shit, bro. Look at Joe with the SIs, man. Zach, say what up to the vlogs, man. Subscribe to 710. Got it clean, that's 2K. Got the static. It's just fucking wicked. Me's kind of getting dead, man. Alright. Zach pulled up. And Zach's back now, bro. He said drop. Yeah, man. Crew's here, man. We vibing.
Oh, I got one of your crowds left. The side shot. He just moved for you. Juggy, come here.
Wow.
Change my legal in the thing, she like, oh my god, why you go that hard? Everything that red will touch, I turn out alcohol. Don't drop that pull up. I just want something better than I'm used to. Yeah, I just want them to treat me like I just want something better than I
So yeah, I ain't gonna cap. I got a cut yesterday, but also they didn't film an outro because honestly I was just enjoying myself. Big Phil's meet was kind of lit. It was cool. I got to see the homies and stuff. 710 pulled up. Was chilling with Joe, Zach, the homie Mike. Well, he's the new homie. But he was the one, I don't know if y'all remember, but if y'all remember that SC300 that was at Phil's first meet in April, that's his. And it's way different now, as y'all can see. Clean as hell. But honestly, we're going to Zach's house right now. They had the crew's first meet today. And I couldn't go because I had work. But going to Zach's house. Gonna have a fire. I think Zach Fernandez is gonna be there. Y'all saw his suit yesterday. Bagged. Fire. Also, again, like I like to say, subscribe to the crew's YouTube, bro. Subscribe, bro. I'm telling you. Zach D is gonna have mad videos coming out. Just wait on it. But yeah, I'm gonna go chill with the homie Joe, Zach, other Zach, Mike, and whoever else is there. And yeah, let's see what the night brings, man. Yo, one for the dead, homie. How's your fucking burger, kid? Alright, we're at the 710 compound. Zach, say what's up, you fuck. Joe, say what's up.
Okay.
Love you too, bud.
I'm sorry.
Joey, say what's up to the vlog.
Are we getting you in the bed?
Honda Boy Doogie.
That's Henny Man. That's Henny Man. That's Henny Man.
got the best vlogs. Best vlogs going.
Zach,
Doogie, homie.
talk.
Hold this up.
Zach, plug the channel. Zach, plug the channel, kid. Plug the channel. I plugged it like 10 times, but plug it.
No. You're gonna like.
Repeat that. What you want?
It's gonna be like, comment, and subscribe down there.
To where? To where? Tell him.
710 YouTube.
Exactly. All right, we're going to the truck. We're gonna go see DJ. Okay, everybody say what's up.
What's up, guys? We got the Henny.
Sorry, Joe. My fault. I just hit my boy with the. I'm telling you, how's your burger? Get your stickers if you and wait a minute. Are we gonna start like? Are y'all about to start sipping them shits? Yeah. Fuck it. Website coming soon too. I don't know. Zach, website coming soon. Fuck yeah, 710.com.
Was today your first meet?
Fuck it, we all vlogging. Joey's vlogging. Vlog on the vlog.
Hey, we in the big what? What is it? 6073? 73? 62?
6 blow.
Literally on the 6th blow. Just anybody got blow? I'm bullshitting. I'm bullshitting.
Joe!
It's the fastest car on the property.
Yes, sir. Wait.
I'm gonna be the. I can't say it. Can't say that. How's your fucking burger?
How's your burger, man?
Hey, oh shit! Go live. We're on the 6-0.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Dude, you scared?
I'm not scared. I'm not scared.
Tom Rosa Cole.
Love. 710 boys, bitch.
Yo, is that a hot dog with a fifth of Henny?
Yeah! Hell the fuck yeah, they are! Yeah!
Yo, we should all just invade.
We're going for another lap, boys! Oh shit!
We're going for another lap, I guess. Take a lap! Take a lap!
Oh shit! Oh dude! How's your burger? Yo.
Go again! Go back!
One more time!
We dropped off the homies!
What the?
It might be
Is
worth
that
it.
it? Wait a minute.
Oh, it's a blast to ride.
What?
We ride it. We ride it.
But hey,
Yo, DJ, did you hear me the other day?
Gangs all here.